Staying connected online is more essential than ever. Work, school, entertainment, more and more of our lives rely on a good internet connection to make the world go round. But what about rural America? Now, if you live in the country, a small town, or even the suburbs, your internet options are more limited than those in the city. But fortunately for folks like us, satellite internet is better than ever. Here are the top 3 reasons why you should choose satellite internet for all your broadband needs. Number 1, satellite reaches almost everywhere. Other internet services like cable or DSL get built out into new regions over time, which is slow and expensive for internet companies to do. But satellites can beam a signal straight down to any area across the country, no matter where you are. And that means you can live where you love and still have the convenience of fast, reliable internet. Number 2, the speed of satellite internet. Now, even though your connection is coming from way up in the sky, satellite internet reaches true broadband speeds. Thanks to how much the technology has improved over time, you'll blow away old dial-up and DSL speeds and get internet that's fast enough to do everything you need on the web. Not only that, but satellite companies also have a better reputation for delivering on the speeds they promise. Now, most providers promise you'll get 20, 30, even 100 megabytes per second, only to find your daily internet speeds don't even come close. But with satellite providers like HughesNet, you'll not only get connected at the speed they tell you, but your connection can often exceed the advertised speed. And lastly, if your area suffers a natural disaster like a strong storm, hurricane, or flood, cable internet can be one of the last services restored. But with those trusty satellites, you'll be back online in no time to aid you and your community in the recovery process. So now you know why everyone talks about satellite internet for rural America. It reaches you wherever you are, gives you the speed you need, and it's always getting better. If you're interested in satellite internet for your home, give HughesNet a call today for free standard installation, or visit satelliteforinternet.com and use promo code GET75 for a free $75 gift card, courtesy of Satellite for Internet. Have a great day.